Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see how to complete a survey. First, this is my dashboard and this is my earnings. I earn more than $25 in this website. First, to see the surveys, you should click on the surveys in your dashboard. The surveys completed in your dashboard only will be taken into your account. There will be two surveys, that is minimal referrals and also the free survey. First we shall see the free survey. I don't have any free survey today, so I'll show you surveys in website as paiderawebsite.com surveys. First you'll have surveys and click on take survey. The surveys will be like this and just click on start survey and you should answer very honestly about this survey and should not answer randomly as you wish, and complete the survey. For 0.40 you will get up to 40 to 50 questions and the questions will be so easy and you should answer it honestly and should not answer randomly. This is the procedure to complete the survey, and after completing the 40 to 50 questions, the reward of $0.40 will be added to your account and you shall check by refreshing the page. This is the first procedure of free survey, and you will get many locked surveys that will be locked for referrals. That is, you should refer at least 135 people or 60 people. I had today this two surveys and I didn't refer this much. I just referred only for 15 surveys. And if you complete 135 referrals or more, you can complete the survey and earn the money. First, you should refer to your friends and should not refer as self-referral. And if you refer as self-referral, your account will be suspended from this website. So if you complete referrals as the numbers, and if the survey will come as 15 referrals may require and something, you shall take survey. I'll show you. This will be locked for only the required surveys. You shall refer at least 135 people and more than that you can complete the surveys. This is the way and procedure for completing the surveys. If you refer more than 135 or 60 people, you can earn. This is the verified and unverified column of referrals. You should be careful about the self referrals also. Here they have mentioned as microjob websites or paid referrals will be suspended from your account permanently, or invalid referrals also your account will be suspended and your account cannot be regained after that. This is the process of completing the survey, and after completing this survey you shall click on continue, and the main thing is you should answer this very honestly and not answer very randomly. They'll check your surveys day by day, and if it is not answered honestly, your account will be suspended. This is the video about survey. I hope you understood the way of completing survey, and thank you for watching this video.